Here we go. We'll start with the snacks. First, we've got Fairfields Farm bacon and tomato. Ooh, they smell good. Ooh, I'm getting the tomato and the bacon. Next up, we have Bepp's popped sea salt and black pepper, or Bepp's popped barbecue. Ooh, they're smoky. Those are good. Next, we have Balsan Choco Leibniz. Chocolate in the front, biscuit in the back. These are so good. As part of our perfect G&T, we have a grapefruit and cardamom garnish and 2 bottles of Coast British tonic. For our cocktail of the month, Fairy Juice, we have Fairy Juice cocktail syrup and Tame and Wild strawberry, cucumber, and lime flower. Next up, we have Crafted Blueberry and Blackberry, or Crafted Still Cloudy Lemonade. Next up, we have the British Popcorn Company Caramel and Espresso. Now for a perfect G&T.